It's now attacking the tyre with a bit of pumpage. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, everybody.
It is the afternoon and not the morning, because Kelly's on a Skype as usual.
Yeah, with Thursday off.
Thursday off.
So Mr. He has a Friday off.
Full time, Mike, from 9 till 5. But he has a Thursday off and works 30 hours.
Well, a little bit more than that, with travel and everything as well.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So where are we going, Kelly?
Right, we're going over to Winnats Pass. Then we're going up Winnats. Let's see what that's like today in this heat. Then we're going down towards Forest and then Buxton, down Hill, New Mills, Mellor, back home.
Hopefully calling to Buxton.
At Buxton, yes.
For a bite to eat. Maybe. See how things go. But it's a beautiful day. It's very hot, very hot. And this is what surrounds us in Glossop. And the High Peak. That's well, I consider an iconic hill over there. Whitley Nab.
Oh, no.
Called a Nab. Many times kids would walk up there as a bit of a challenge or try and run up a little bit of it. But bloody tough, very tough. 34 degrees Celsius. We're just going up the Snake with Mr. K.
Sweating buckets.
35 Celsius so far. Hey?
A bit strange.
My legs are feeling alright at the minute, feeling good.
What's that?
Let's not jinx it, eh?
Oh, summer. It sounds good right now after what we just experienced, doesn't it? Grilling out, lawns being mowed, and pools opening. These are some of the things we expect with summer.
You've got to love the Snake Pass. Fearsome road, scary road, but what a road! It's got everything, apart from shitty cars. Arriving, well, I've arrived in Castleton, and that's what we're going to be climbing up in a minute. Could be Kelly making his way. Yeah, I think he's going to struggle up this climb. You see him flashing. Flashing. He's a little flasher. Here he comes! Here he comes! Get in there! He's got foot pain already!
I've been having it since Bamford.
He's had Bamford foot pain.
Get some new shoes, definitely.
You were alright before, the last time we went out. Seems like a load of excuses to me, Kelly. Excuses. Cry baby. So Mike's
Definitely wants to ride side by side up on this hill. There's loads of traffic coming up and down.
I've got some great footage of Mike in his hot foot. Come on, Kelly. Come on, hot foot. Hot foot. His own pace. Here he comes. The man mountain. Pushing it. Levering it. Hot footing it. Hot fuss in it. Look at him go. How you doing, Kelson? You what? You're knackered. What about Hard Not Pass?
Knackered.
Hard Not? You're not painting? So Winnats was harder than it usually is. Tough that. I think the weather's got a lot to be honest with you. And anyway, I think we might stop here. I think, I'm not sure. Disappointment. Every time we come here, look at that. Closed today. Every single time. It's like Joe Kelly's told me that he didn't want to go to No Stop Cafe. No stop. Yeah, no car stop or no car cafe, whatever it's bloody called. It's never open. It's never open since I've been past it. We've stopped once. Mike said it's on a Saturday and Sunday it's open. What's the bloody point of that? Help me, help me. I'm just a little slack jaw. My right foot.
Free wheel all the way down. It doesn't even look like I've freewheeled all the way down.
Puncture.
Puncture in the front tyre, and
It's
and basically it's still it won't deflate as well. So
squirts. Well, it's all squirting.
it's all squirting there. Look at the things there as well. So
did you find that it was moving around in the like water?
yes, yeah. It's still a little bit squidgy in there, sort of thing, when you're moving it around.
It's not good, is it?
So
You need a
I'm
thicker.
going to put a normal inner tube in. In fact, before I do that though, I better just check from there and see to make sure there's nothing there.
What, I need punctures in that?
Well, just make sure.
Did you find out where it actually punctured?
Just want to get out of it. Beer on the table, really.
You know, after we said on that last video that you never get punctures.
Yeah, you know what, yeah, I'm definitely straight away.
Mm.
And you know what, when I was just fixing it then, that's what it just popped to mind straight away.
What?
You jinxed it.
Still doing a good job there, mate. No beans on toast today.
Unbelievable. Just click that on, all the way round, just flick it on the end. Never done that.
How did you click
First
it?
time.
How did you flick it?
Just click it like with your thumbs.
Right, it's now attacking the tyre with a bit of pumpage.
Yeah, everybody woke up.
It is look at that, the antique CO2 canister. Do you know, if you would have injured somebody, you're liable for damages, mate. You're just derelict. Looks like it's like 50 years old, that. It's been buried in the bloody ground. Come on, Mike, push it.
I'm not doing anything. Hey, have a go, come on.
You can bugger right off, mate.
Mate, I had to go on yours, come on.
Yeah, I know you did. No.
Right, you know what, if you ever have been put to a guy, I'm not even touching it, then even move your derailleur and everything else.
Oh, well, you know what we're going to do?
Right?
I'm going to show you that footage, mate, of what you did to help me.
You've done everything,
Mate, I'm going to show you
everything.
that footage of what you did. While you were greeting everybody coming up the hill.
After you do your tyre.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's it. Oh, I've just got to put my wheel on, that's it.
Yeah,
Put
come on,
everything
hurry up. Go on, pump it hard.
That's it. Mate, I've done it for about 4 hours now.
Psst. Psst.
Probably is. In fact, right over to pool.
Right over to what pool?
Buxton pool.
What for?
They say they've got a pump.
Why would they have a foot pump?
Exercise bikes.
You've got to press the valve, mate. What exercise bikes? Seems every time I talk into this, I'm going up a hill. It took it out of me today, this. Really difficult. The temperatures have been really hot. Fair skinned lad. Up north. 35 degrees. Fucking hell. It's been no respite, and Mike's definitely felt it as well. Been tough. Your average sort of climbs that you normally can take in your stride. Been really tough. That bit where we're unscrewing that bloody thing. I was going to borrow my CO2 adapter because his is just knackered, full of salt, full of crap, and it didn't look like it was screwed in, but the canister was all rusty and a mess. So I just said to her, just have a check, see if it's screwed in. If not, maybe unscrew it, but maybe do it gently. Blow me. We sat outside Nero Coffee in Buxton. The thing exploded. Oh shit. Funniest thing I've seen for a long time. Typical Mike thing that he does. Guy sat by the side and jumped out of his skin. Two old ladies walking past, and then the barista come out and she was like, "Are you all right?"
The beat.
Gentle ride.
Gentle.
I'm knackered. I'm going to be having a bath after this. But, rest me foot. Alright, it's just knackered.
It does look like there's a bit of wear on the foot there.
On the back.
Oh, you got a bit of dog shit on it, mate, I think.
And then I'm knackered.
No, 5,100 feet over 40 odd miles.
Not at all that.
I think 40 odd miles. No, 54 miles. So it's not almost. Yeah.
I've got 7,600.
Well done, mate. Yeah, 54.8.
Yeah.
How many feet have you got?
7,600.
How many feet have you got?
Nearly 4,800.
4.8, you're doing well there, mate. Only another 400 to go. You have to go back up the Snake Pass, mate. So Mike always used to get lots more elevation. Unfortunately, it's equalled out now.
Yeah, but I did change it on
Yeah, well, you change it, you'll get less. See you in a bit.
Right.
Put it there. We're all done now, so it's time to check in and chill out. Get some jerk chicken down my neck. So until next time, Saturday morning, I reckon. Cafe ride, no elevation, I've had enough of it. And see how we go from there. So from that point, take it easy.